Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. Hope everybody having a blessed day today, you know what I'm saying? By the way, this ain't my favorite football NFL team, by the way, just letting y'all know. But today, we got an in-hand review and an on feet of these Yeezy foam runners, man. The MX CINDER, give them about a good 8.5 out of 10. That's just my opinion on the foam runners. Comment down below, man, let me know. If y'all like these joints, you're gonna pass on them. I did multiple reviews on foam runners before. I had pairs before, and they are super comfortable. But I think they're more of a summer shoe. Can't wear these in the wintertime because your toes will get cold. But like I said, we got our own feet and an in-hand review of these joints. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Get y'all my opinion, get them talk about the material, size, run, all that good stuff in this video. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Road to that 2K, man. Like I said, we'll be doing a giveaway. My platforms down below. Without further ado, man, let's get to the video. I don't even want to do too much talking because Adidas already shipped this out to me. I'll make another video, by the way, talking about I'm supposed to have a Yeezy slide coming. I don't know what's going on with that. We're gonna talk about that in another video. Well, today. So be on the lookout for a double upload box out. So here go the box right here. Yeah, y'all can't see my address and nothing right there. You know what I'm saying? So got the box. I do wear a size 12 in the foam runners, by the way. So it came in a big old box like this. I'm like, ooh, y'all see me some extra stuff in the box too? But nah, they did. So here we go right here. Let's go ahead and crack this box open. If it's fake. Oh, my address ain't on here. Oh, address ain't on here. There we go. Y'all see that? Boom. Y'all think my stuff fake or something. No sir. It's crazy. You'll be like, what? Usually it's supposed to have Yeezy slide on there. So foam runners will normally, when you first open it, you will see it, but it got size 12 right there. So boom, it just says size 12 UPS, nothing too crazy. But like I said, when you first open it, it has a foam right here, RNR, abbreviated for runners, you know what I'm saying? So, but let's get these bad boys out. Hey, here they go, man. The Adidas Yeezy foam runners, MX CINDER joints, man. Like I said, overall 8.5 out of 10. I'll see when I try them on feet, just know what I'm saying. My mind might change. I'm mess around, keep them, might not. You never know. But foam runners are super comfortable. It's just the thing is you can't wear this in the wintertime. It's just a summer shoe. But comfortability wise, foam runners, easy 10 out of 10 for sure. So you know how in Yeezy boxes or whatever like that, it will normally come with the size right here, but the size is in the inside like that. So boom, and it says Yeezy foam runner size 12 MX CINDER. You know what I'm saying? US size 12. So UK size 12. So I wear size 12 in these. Even my Yeezy slides I wear size 12. So the size 12 just fit me perfectly fine. It fits me just nice. 11 fits me too small. I tried 11 multiple times. 11 doesn't fit me at all. But a size 12 in these and slides and shoes is my go-to size. So in Yeezys, I always tell people they have half sizes in the shoes, but in the slides and foam runners, they don't have half sizes. They have whole sizes. So if you wear that 9.5, I prefer you get a 10. Don't get a 9. So get that 10. So like I said, I wear 11.5. But the size 12 fits me just perfect. It's not too big. It's not flopping off my foot or anything like that. It fits me just right. But I don't know if I get a 13 in these, it'll be flopping, going crazy. But that was a size and tip right there. On this shoe, on the toe box here is blue. But also around the whole shoe is a more of a black, brown, and tan, if you could closely tell. Let's go talk about the shoe, man. So the whole shoe here is made out of foam. In case y'all didn't know, or people that never had a pair of foam runners, but the shoe's made out of foam, so I could just fold it up like this and just go right back. So I can just tell, straight foam, nothing else. Made out of Adidas Boost on the bottom, but mainly the whole shoe is made out of foam. Foam. Of course, you got little hints of your Adidas logo on the bottom of the shoe, but the whole shoe is made out of foam. EVA foam, by the way. So in case y'all didn't know, I knew before I first made my video, I said made out of Adidas Boost. I got people's on my ass. I ain't gonna lie, not to cuss on here, but they was on my butt for real on here. But it's made out of foam. So, and on the outsole here, you got like a wavy traction outsole here. But like I said beforehand, this shoe is made out of foam, so it's really, like I said, it's pretty straightforward with this. People say it's a slide, it's a shoe, but I think it's more of just a slide on like a slipper a little bit. I wouldn't say it's a shoe, but you kind of get away with it. See these holes here, I call them alien holes, but they call them like vents and air holes, stuff like that. But it's like breathable for your shoe, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, in summertime, this will be a great summer shoe. We'll get 50 likes. So make sure we get the video to 50 likes. Make sure we get the 2K subscribers as well. You know, so I'm doing a giveaway on that as well. But let's get this whole feed going, man. Y'all want to be right back. Let's get it.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from jewelry, new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, that I can't take a loss.
Yes, sir, I'm back from my own feet. And these Jones right here, they grown on me. I give you about a 9.5 out of 10. It just stays so comfortable. You can't go wrong. They are super comfortable. I think just that little bit of shade of blue throwing me off. I just wish that he took it off of there and just kept it like with the black and gray and tan. They could wear a lot more stuff, and just that shade of blue is like, bro, it's kind of throwing me off a little bit. That's why I think I get 9.5 out of 10. But comment down below, man, let me know if y'all picked up a pair of these exact ones, or y'all picked up any other pairs from the Yeezy day. Like I said, I got some blue Yeezy slides, but I don't, they coming, it says in processing. So I'll make a little video about that. So we're gonna be, you know, so I'm gonna start interacting with you guys, like I said. But size running, foam runners, man, they don't come at half sizes, so it'll be whole sizes. So I wear 11 and a half, but the size 12 right here fits me just right, man. It fits your boy just right. So like I said, make sure that y'all go get your true size in these. When I be by true size, like I said, if you wear a 9 and a half, get that 10. Do not get a 9. They do not come at half sizes. I repeat, they do not come at half sizes. So be ready for that. And also, like I said, these are the MX CINDER joints, man. So these not bad. They had another colorway, was the clay red. I like those way better than these. That's just me. And I didn't win on those, but I just hit on these and the blue Yeezy slides. So hey, but man, that is it for this video, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe if you're new. Show love support as always. Road to that 2K, baby. Let's get it. Jerome is out. Peace.